Magnetic pull. A magnet is an object that can pull things made of iron and steel. A magnet can push or pull other magnets. A magnet has two poles. A pole is a place on a magnet where the pull is the greatest. One pole is the north-seeking, or N pole. The other pole is the south-seeking, or S pole. Like poles, or poles that are the same, repel each other. Repel means to push away from something. Opposite poles, or poles that are different, attract each other. Attract means to pull toward something. A steel paper clip is attracted to a magnet. A rubber band is not. Magnets attract some things, but not others. Look at these boxes. Which things are attracted to a magnet? Which things are not? Look at the way the magnet pulls the paper clips right through the hand. A magnet does not have to touch an object to move it. This is possible because of its magnetic field. This is the area around a magnet where the magnetic force is felt. Magnets everywhere. Magnets do so much more than stick papers to the refrigerator. They help us in amazing ways. Look at the pictures to see some of the things magnets can do. Huge magnets help sort items made of iron and steel before they are recycled. A maglev train uses magnets to lift and move the train forward. One train has gone 360 miles per hour.